If you want to set an animated watch face on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, I think the best way to search for animated watch faces is by using the Wearable app. So you can go to your phone, and then in here we should be able to switch to all of these watch faces. Here we have the whole section dedicated for watch faces. And unfortunately, it seems that there is no longer a dedicated section for live or animated watch faces, and we just have to go through this list in order to try to find something that might be animated. But let's say here we have this graphical fun section, and I believe that this one should be animated. So let's apply this one, and let's see if that is truly the case. And there we go. Yes, we do have a little animation going on. Let's see if we have any customization options available in here, if it is still possible to make some changes. And yes, we do have a couple of different characters that we can choose from. So I guess we can slightly customize the animation to some degree. But besides that, of course, you might be able to find even more animations or animated wallpapers. Like, for example, here we have more watch faces section where we have live wallpaper. So let's see if that is actually going to work. In this case, we actually need to download this whole live wallpaper. So let's give it a try. All right, I also applied the wallpaper straight away, and I don't think there's any animation going on. So I'm not sure why it is named as live wallpaper, but you might be able to find more options regardless of the fact that this one is not. Actually, it is slightly animated, I guess. And over here we have also funny faces, so this is another example that I assume is going to be animated as well. There we go, we actually have a little animation going on. I believe it might actually be related to AOD, so if you do use AOD on your watch, then maybe then it is animated, but too bad it is not animated when we actually use our watch. And there we go, we have this one as well, and it actually changes all the time, so I guess you can say that this is animated. So as you can see, we have a couple of options, although it seems that at the same time it is quite limited, and unfortunately there is not much that we can find on this list of different watch faces, but maybe you can actually find something that you will like to use. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.